How to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not responding on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if the Rockstar Games Launcher is not responding in your Windows. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you can restart your PC and run the launcher as the administrator. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. After that, you can try to launch the launcher with the admin rights. Now once you restart your device, search for the Rockstar Games Launcher shortcut, and here what you have to do is right click and click on Run as Administrator and check if it opens properly or not. If that still does not help you, now the fix too is to check for the Rockstar server. Sometimes the Rockstar Games Launcher won't respond due to their server issue. For that, you can open up a browser and in the search bar go to the support.rockstargames.com and check if the servers are down. And if the servers are down, you have to wait until the Rockstar fixes the issues. But if that's not the case, then you have to end the Rockstar task from the task manager. If your launcher is stuck, force close it and restart. For that, you have to open up the task manager. So in the search bar, search for task manager and open it up. Now under the task manager, you have to find the Rockstar Games Launcher and Social Club. After that, you have to right click on it and then select End Task. After that, you can close your task manager and restart the launcher and check whether that will help you or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to look for your Windows update. Ensure that your Windows is up to date. So to look for your update, again you have to open up settings in your device. Head towards the Windows update from your left hand side and check if the updates are available. If that is so, you have to install them and restart your PC. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if the Rockstar Games Launcher is not responding or working properly in your Windows. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.